All right, students, today we are doing 3.2b, multiplying polynomials. 3.2b, multiplying polynomials. All right, yesterday we did addition and subtraction of polynomials, so go back there, check that out if you needed help with that. And today I'm going to give you 3 examples for multiplying polynomials, and we are going to use the boxcar troll method. Now, students every year say, "Oh, do I have to do that? Can I use FOIL? Can I use this, that, and the other thing?" Well, I'm going to say no, because we run into lots of problems, lots of mistakes when students do not use the boxcar troll method. So, first question: x plus 4 squared. What is that? What is it? Wrong. Wrong. It is not x squared plus 16. Not x squared plus 16. So, the parentheses, means that we have to square the whole thing. So what this is x plus 4 times x plus 4. And still, that is not x squared plus 16. Let's check out why. So this is the boxcar troll method right here. I mix box. Since there's two numbers here, it's a binomial. I'll make 2 lines. Since there's 2 numbers here, I'll make 2 lines here. So I put my x and my 4 here, put my x and my 4 here, and I just multiply to fill up the box. X times x, that's x squared. X times 4, that's 4x. 4 times x, that's 4x. 4 times 4, that's 16. And so what I do here is I write down every single one of these. And I like to write them in order because it helps to get it down to standard form. And also it helps to make sure I get every number. So I have x squared plus 4x plus the other 4x plus 16. Then what I do is I look for any like terms. I have a 4x and a 4x. I combine them, so I get x squared plus 8x plus 16. So x plus 4 squared equals x squared plus 8x plus 16. So yes, you do have to write it out, and yes, you have to use the boxcar troll method every time. Let's take another one. Little step up, example number 2. X squared plus 7x minus 3 times 4x plus 2. So now I have a trinomial. I have 3 terms. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 terms. And I have 2 terms here. So I'm going to go 1. Actually, I'll just make them a little bit bigger. Let's do that. I like space. It's better to have too much space than too little space. So we've got 1, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2. So I've got my 4x, my 2, because there's 2 columns here. I've got 3 columns here, x squared, 7x, and negative 3. And I just multiply them. 4x times x squared would be 4x to the third. 4x times 7x would be 28x squared. 4x times negative 3 is negative 12x. 2 times x squared is 2x squared. 2 times 7x is 14x. And 2 times negative 3 is negative 6. Excuse me. I'm going to go ahead and write down all of these numbers here. So I have my 4x to the third plus 28x squared minus 12x plus 2x plus 14x minus 6. That are all my numbers. Now I look to see if I have any like terms. Look at that. I've got that's a 2x squared. Sorry, 2x squared. So I've got 2 x squareds. I've got 2 x's. So let's go. 4x to the third plus 30x squared, 28x squared plus 2x squared. Negative 12, positive 14 plus 2x minus 6. There's my answer right there. It's my answer in standard form and simplified as much as possible. All right, let's take one more example. What if I have 2x minus 3 cubed? Well, first let's write it out. 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3 times 2x minus 3. So that's what it is. It is 2x times 2x times 2x. It's 2x multiplied 3 times. That's cubed, right? What I have to do is this is actually going to end up being two problems. So I've got 2x negative 3, and then I've got 2x and negative 3. So I'm taking care of these two in this box. So I've got 4x squared minus 6x minus 6x plus 9. I don't need the plus, because if there's no plus, I just know it's positive. Write this down. 4x squared minus 6x minus another 6x plus 9. Combine my two negatives, I get 4x squared minus 12x plus 9. So that is the answer to these two. But I still have to multiply it by this one. So it's my answer times 2x minus 3. And like we did on the last example, I just have to write down my So I have 4x squared, I have negative 12x, I have 9, 2x, negative 3. So I have 8x squared, negative 24x squared. Oh, mistake. 2x times 4x squared is 8x cubed, because I have 2x's here, 1x here, so it's cubed. 2x times 9, that's 18x. Negative 3 times 4x squared is negative 12x squared. Negative, so that's a positive 36x to negative 27. So now I write all these down. I'm just going to move it down here. So I've got 8x to the third minus 24x squared plus 18x minus 12x squared plus 36x minus 27. Let's look for my like terms. I've got x squared and x squared. I've got x and x. That's about it for my like terms. So I have 8x to the third minus 36x squared plus 54. 54x minus 27. So that right there is 2x minus 3 cubed. 2x minus 3 cubed equals 8x to the third minus 36x squared plus 54x minus 27. So that's what it equals. If you have any questions, let me know. Give it a go. Good luck with your homework.